Hey, what's up guys? I'm here to talk about iPad video lessons. Now the other day I went out and bought myself one of those new iPads. This iPad is awesome. There's so many things you can do with it. But as I saw a comedian joke about, it's the only thing that you can buy and then find out exactly what it is after. Now, by this time you probably noticed that there's no manual inside. No, that's something that Apple just doesn't choose to include with their product. I wanted to get the most out of my purchase naturally. I wanted to be able to do everything that I could with my iPad, so I started searching the internet. Now I looked for different iPad video lessons, and there's a bunch out there, but when I found iPad Pete, I found out that this guy was the real deal. Right off the hop, I found out that he had much cleaner graphics. His videos were easy, simple to follow, and you could even stop and start whenever you needed to. But the main thing was that these videos were fun. Now, if you could imagine, iPad video lessons could get pretty boring if it was anyone else, but he actually manages to do a really good job. So to look at the videos, I kind of skipped ahead a little bit, being the tech geek that I am. But iPad Pete wasn't lying when he said you could probably do it in about 11 minutes a day. It's like having a super geek on your side, and way better than having to bother someone every time that you have to do a small task. It's really darn convenient. It's good for any age group. I'm a middle-aged kind of guy, but if someone was a bit older, maybe a bit younger, it could really show you how to do some good stuff. It shows you tips, tricks, how to use music, pictures, apps, just about anything really. And the good thing is you only have to pay for it once. I paid the one-time fee. That gave me a lifetime membership. So now if there's any future videos that come up or any updates to the iPad, I'm completely covered. And yeah, you could really learn whenever you like. So I was a little skeptical about the payment, I'm going to admit that, but it comes with a 60-day guarantee, so he must be pretty confident in what he's selling. That's the way I look at it. So if you want to discover the same thing I did, just check out the link at the bottom of my page and buy it too. Enjoy.